my name is Stithem. I am the in-home designer at the Furniture Mall of Kansas here in Topeka. Today we had the lovely opportunity to come to Brewster Place and hold a couple of classes just to kind of show what people can do with the space when they move in. So I was able to tell people about our in-home design services for those who are starting from scratch, and for those who already have pieces that are moving in and just kind of need to know how to put their rooms together. We were able to help them as well, and also show the power of accessorizing, showing the power of color, shape, texture, and how those all play such an important role in how design comes together and brings a room to life. So I've had a great time today, and I'm very excited for what is to come.
It's a big step for people when they're moving into a retirement community here at Brewster Place. Getting to see the Furniture Mall of Kansas having decked out a model apartment, you can see the relief on their face. So it's exciting to have people come in as a group, and then afterwards they're talking and saying, oh, I could do that. Look at that room. Oh, how about my house? So we know that it helps to really generate excitement about coming to Brewster Place. The other thing we love is that the Furniture Mall of Kansas is a hometown company, and so are we. We are an organization that grew up here in Topeka. We are 60 years old and very proud of our heritage, and we are very proud to work with a local furniture company, the Furniture Mall of Kansas.
I want to go ahead and thank Chris and Brewster Place so much from the bottom of our hearts for allowing us to be here today and to hold these classes for people, to show them what they can do with their space and to get people excited about design and excited about the changes in their lives that are coming up. So thank you so much, Chris and Brewster Place. We really appreciate your guys' partnership and time today. Oh yeah.